is amazing. Oh, wow. Ooh. What do you think? That's amazing. Hi.
Hey, that's my chunk of cheese. Guys, you notice I need more cheese.
Hi, wait.
I just need a little more.
Okay.
Oh. Hey, that's my cheese. Cheese, get there while it's cold.
Hi. Yeah.
I need cheese.
Make it smaller. Whoa, that's amazing.
No, they keep stealing it.
Yeah. Hi. How are you? Hi. Here, I have more. Hi.
Wait,
can I have a tiny bit more?
Just a little bit more. Hi. Woohoo.
I'll go first.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you stay. Okay, just stay. Stay.
Did he take it?
Hi. Okay. Come on in my head now. Yeah.
Well, Rachel, you got one that likes to stay.
You want some food? Bailey, you scared her. Or him. Aww. I like that guy.
Oh, I just crapped. Just kidding.
Okay, that one's favorite.
Yeah.
Well, you guys don't have anything. I'm not landing. I'll get more food for you.
Hi.